Today I'll show you how I made this ginger house bread cake. It's very beautiful and yummy in eating. So let's check out the full tutorial. For the cake, I have taken two rectangular shaped sponge. First, scrape the topmost part and layer the cake into three parts. You can see how fluffy and texture wise it's a very beautiful cake. Then take 3 layers of sponge and cut the sides. Place a cake board or plate on a turntable. Take a little whipped cream on the cake board and place a layer of sponge. Then soak the sponge with sugar syrup. Soaked it very well. Spread a little cream on the sponge. For chocolatey taste, I am using here ganache. You can use Nutella too. Mix with the cream and then place second layer of the sponge on it. Repeat this process with all the sponge. Crumb coat the cake with the cream with the help of palette knife. For the top of the gingerbread house cake, take 3 layers of sponge and cut into triangle shape or heart shape. Give it a heart shape or just cut like this. Let's make the top of the cake. Just repeat the process. Place the sponge. Just soaking the layer, add a little whipped spread properly and then add some ganache over it and repeat this with all 3 layers. That's all. Just crumb coat the whole cake with the help of spatula or cream. For proper heart shape, I used a little sponge on the top of the cake. Then I cover with the cream. After crumb coat, keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. For snow effect on roof, just tap the palette all over the rooftop. It will give a nice effect of snow. I am using red color or star nozzle for the front portion. You can choose any color or any nozzle for this. tree or leaf effect, I'm using green color or leaf nozzle for this. Using some sprinklers, silver or golden, our cake is ready. Set it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours and then cut and serve. So bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.